Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Tubi app. You will click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Tubi and you will click here in this window. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.